This old sci-fi idea of robots taking over the world, yeah, it doesn't feel so sci-fi anymore. Because it's happening right now. AI isn't just helping us do things faster, it's starting to replace us in ways that are honestly kind of terrifying. From music to movies to social media, humans are slowly being pushed out of their own creations. Let's start with music. For decades, music was all about emotion, the human voice, real instruments, stories born from pain, love, or experience. But now, AI can generate music in seconds. It can imitate your favorite artists, match their tone, and even write lyrics that sound as good as something you would hear on the radio. There are already viral AI Drake and AI Weekend tracks that fooled millions online. Record labels are panicking, artists are protesting, and audiences are torn because sometimes it actually sounds better. There's this new AI singer everyone been talking about, Zania Monet. She was created by Talisha and Nikki Jones using some AI music tools. And get this, her song "How Was I Supposed to Know" made her the first AI artist ever to hit a Billboard radio chart. She even landed 3 million record deal. Can you believe this? The scary part, AI doesn't need to sleep, doesn't ask for royalties, never gets writer's block. Next up, acting. Hollywood been hit hard by this. We have seen AI DH actors bring back dead celebrities and even create full performances using digital replicas. During the 2023 actors strike, one of the biggest fears wasn't only pay, it was about studios scanning the actor's face once and owning it forever. Imagine getting replaced by your own digital clone. Some companies are already testing AI extras in crowd scenes, cutting down the need for hundreds of real people. And that raises the question, if AI can cry on cue, deliver perfect lines, and never age, what happens to the real actors? And so there's this new AI actress, Telly Norwood. She was created by a studio called Particle 6 using advanced AI tools. And she already has a full online presence like a real celebrity. Hollywood is freaking out. Some producers see her as the future of film, while actors and unions say that she is a threat to real performers. It's a huge moment that's blurring the line between technology and talent. And it might just change acting forever. And now we got social media influencers, another industry getting hit fast. AI influencers are already a thing. They look real, post daily, and even collaborate with brands. They got thousands of followers. And they even have AI fans that comment on their posts. Some have millions of followers who don't even realize that they are following a robot. And brands love them. No scandals, no drama, no expensive contracts, just pure polished content. There's even an AI model that makes thousands of dollars monthly from sponsorship and virtual photo shoots. Real influencers are starting to worry. How can you compete with someone who never sleeps and always looks perfect? What's wild is that all this is just the beginning. Every month, AI gets smarter, faster, more creative. And while it's amazing in some ways, like making education more accessible or helping with research, it also blurs the line between what's real and what's artificial. We used to create technology to assist us, and now it's replacing us. So, where does that leave us? Some say we will adapt, and that humans will always find new roles. Others say this is the starting of something bigger, the creative extinction of humanity. And I really second this because if AI can sing, act, write, and entertain better than us, so what is left that is truly ours? Maybe the only thing we can offer is being human, our imperfections, our emotions, our stories, the things that AI can imitate but never feel. But if we are not careful, even that might be copied next. So, yeah, AI isn't coming for the future, it's already here. And the question is, when everything around us can be generated, replaced, simulated, will anyone still care about the real thing? So, guys, we're no longer alone on Earth. We've got a company, and we've already entered a new era. Let's call it the robotic era. And we gotta be ready. We gotta be ready for it. By the end, don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And one more thing, this script was made mostly by AI. Have a nice day.